I am Ting Zhang. This is how to analyze PX cycle 2 using Survey. This section is percentile analysis, as this type of analysis is quite straightforward, so it's going to be short. So Survey provide the percentile functions that calculates a percentile of a numerical variable, which typically a subscale or subject scale, such as the literacy or numeracy scale. So you can specify the percentile that you want using the percentiles argument. In our case, we want to get the percentiles for the 10s, 25ths, 50s, 75s, 90s, respectively, and we want to use the German data. So we run these functions and get the final percentile results. So again, you can the function provide a summary of its analysis. And then in the percentile results, you can see the function gives you the estimate for each percentile and also the standard error, the confidence interval for each percentile, and the associated degrees of freedom. So that's about percentile analysis. And if you want to learn more, read our Survey user guide.